Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can sell your items and farm energy links. And this is one of the easiest way to get energy links. So if I open up my map, you can see I'm in Datsville, but you can go to any safe point. So it could be Mears Market or any safe zone all over the map. So I'm in Datsville. I will go right in here and I will turn to left, and there you will see a man, this man right here. His name is Weber. And if I go talk to him and click shop, now he also sells things, but he also buys from us. So if you click on the sell button up top, you can see these are my items. So materials, cost, tools, all of these. So I can basically sell these items to him for energy links. And if I hover over any item, you can see the unit price. So basically how much he will give me for one item. So if I click on metal scraps, and here I can select how many scraps I want to sell. And there you can see I got 29 energy links. And some items sell for thousands of energy links. So that's it for today's video on how you can sell your items and farm energy links. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.